Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got an update on the Chevelle, the AC system in it. I got it working. A couple guys said just throw some more Freon in it, so that's what we did. Show you the temperature outside right now is currently 90 degrees. So car's been sitting. I'm gonna crank it up. See, I charged this a couple days ago. It worked fine. I'm gonna make sure it's actually holding a charge and see what the temperature is when it comes out of the vents. So it is very warm in here. Stick that up in the vent. You can see that it still says 90 degrees. I'd say roughly 92. So let's get this thing fired up real quick. Hopefully it fires right up. Fired right up. Go ahead and turn the AC on. Oh heck, that crept all the way up to 100. Alright, turn my blower motor down, up. Some air blowing here. And it's already starting to come down. I know this isn't the best way to do this. What I ended up doing is I let some of the Freon out, not all of it. I made sure the AC compressor was still running. I never depleted enough to where it shut off or anything. And then I put a full can in it and still wasn't blowing cold. So I ended up putting about another half a can in it after that. I got a full solid stream going across the little, glass bubble to be able to see how the coolant's flowing and all that stuff. Haven't had any issues. Drove the car a couple hours. It's been working great. My AC compressor quieted down a lot. As you can see, we started with 100-degree temp. We're just now below 80. Obviously, if we're moving, it'll cool off a lot better. It might still need to be charged some more, so I need to get my butt over to the store and buy the high compression or high side fitting. That way I can go ahead and actually test the pressures. What I ended up doing was filling it till it had about 50 on the low side. That's what some of you recommended. It was sitting at about 30, 35. And then of course when you revved it, it would drop all the way down to 20. So just this short bit of time we've been in here, the temperature is already down to about 70 degrees. That's way better than it was. I can actually drive the car comfortably. It's not cooking me out or anything. So I'm gonna call the AC fixed. That's great. What's next for the car? Gonna be hunting down an issue with the lifter noise. So I talked about the lifter noise a lot in the videos. I've never addressed it. It's coming from the driver's side. It's not the same side that the rocker arm nuts had backed off or anything like that. So I don't know if it's a lifter. It's not doing it at idle, and what I've been told is if it's actually a lifter, it should do it at idle. If you guys can help me back that up or whatever, anything you can suggest, I would greatly appreciate it. I've ran Marvel Mystery Oil in it, changed the oil. It's sitting on its third oil change since I've owned the car, and that's with maybe 1,000 miles total of driving. So it's not the oil condition or anything like that. I have a good quality AC Delco oil filter on it. Like I said, it doesn't do it at idle. It only does it under load, like part throttle cruising. Well, it might do it beyond that, and I might not be able to hear it because the exhaust exhaust is so loud. Not really sure. So what I'm going to do is try to mess with checking my timing, as far as, you know, the vacuum advance and mechanical advance. You know, I want to see what my total advance spread is, because it probably should be around 36. If I'm getting like 50 or something, that would obviously explain my problem. So we've been sitting here for, we'll just call it 5 minutes, and I'm probably down around 67, 65-ish. And again, it gets a lot cooler than that when I'm actually driving the car. So I just wanted to give you guys that update on the AC. It works great. I appreciate everybody's suggestions on getting it fixed. I'm just glad it was simple. Put some more Freon in it and send it. So thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate everybody following along, watching the videos, liking, commenting, subscribing. We're up to 100 subscribers as of this morning, so I really appreciate it. Thanks again, guys, and more content is definitely on the way. I picked up some more parts for the car to take care of some of the cosmetic stuff, and we'll see that in a future video. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. Bye.